This is a 1978 KZ1000. I bought it back in 1992 and it didn't look very much like this. And I come to find out that it's got a lot of LTD parts on it. The engine's a 1979, and when you start buying parts for the engine and they don't fit, you kind of have to do a little investigating to figure out why. Usually cleanups are just like painting the engine cases and cleaning up the chrome. This past year, with COVID, everything being shut down and really not a whole lot you can do, I got way deeper into the cleanup than I had in the past. So I really wanted spoked rims, because when I first got the bike it had mags. So I got the spokes going, took a lot of parts off, got them powder coated, chromed. Chrome got redone. I bought new brake rotors. I just thought it did a nice job of cleaning up the look, giving it a finished look. I put braided lines, a lot of stainless steel bolts where I could. I did keep a lot of original bolts that could be cleaned up still. I even went as far as getting new face plates for the gauges, and they came out real nice. I'm very happy with how that came out. Because I went with a wider tire, I had to figure out offsets and all that. So right here is my offset for the rear. And then I had to get an offset sprocket for the front. But it came out very nice. New emblems, those were a little tricky to track down. So I just finished it up. I'm real happy with how it came out. Just showing it off a little bit.